Hi guys. Over since Christmas, I did a mini haul. I have gone to Sally's and the beauty supply store, and I figured I'd show you my little mini haul that I have. I've got a color wheel, and we're gonna check out what some of these new different crackles will look like and whatever. So I started with a Wet n Wild white as one base coat. There's black, topaz black, and I use one of my favorites, NK's Clementine, and I used this. This is Nina Ultra Pro, and I hope it shows up right. On looking at it, it looks purple. I thought, cool, lovely purple. But when we look under the bottom, what does it say, people? It says Starry Night, and it is a blue. It's a nice blue, but looking at it, you would think it was purple. And my other favorite is NYX Girl, or if it's NYK, which one of the two. And the color is 144. It's a nice neon color. I guess we could start with the crackles that we have. And the first one we're going to try is a Santee, and it is called Charcoal. And looking at the bottle, it has a nice glitter effect in it. And when I tried it on my model, who will not come on camera, it came out really nice. So we're going to try a medium coat on this first one, and we're going to see what it looks like. Oh, I'm sorry. There we go. I'm going to just put it on, and we're going to see. Oops, I'm jacking it up big time. Okay, there we are. We're putting it on, and there it is, and we'll come back and check on that. And now we're going to do, here we go. This is Santee Red Crackle. My mother's a red hatter, so I got the red. So we could maybe crackle hers with red and purple. So this is a red. Let's see what it looks like. This goes on nice and smooth. Okay. Can you see? Okay. Oh, look at charcoal is crackling. It's crackling nicely. Then, today, I went to my favorite, Sally's. I love Sally's. I love the ladies that are in there. They are fabulous. And we have China Glaze Crackle. And the color is... Oh, wait. Can we get it? Oh, there we go. Haute Metal. Or, you know, I'm thinking like Haute Couture. So, excuse me a second. I gotta open the bottles. There we go. Okay, both bottles open. Now, that'll be less time. And we are going to try the Haute Couture first. Ew, I don't like that. I don't like the brush, first off. Okay, there we are. That's better. I did not have enough. Okay, blame me. Not the bottle. Okay, that's pretty. Can you see that? That came out. That's nice sparkle. And the second one is Oxidized Aqua, and it also has really nice glitter, and it says crackle. So we will see. We shall see, said the blind man. And on 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 and on. And the last one is Clean Color, and the color is Purple Crackle. Wait, 1 second. Okay, there we are. Had to open the bottles. Treasure. Oh, I'm sorry. That was from something I'm watching on television. Getting annoyed. And that goes on really nice. And there there we are. And that's on the white. Now we're going to do it backwards, and we're going to do the black. That's dark. We're not going to do dark on dark, I guess so. Okay, we'll do this one first. This is the charcoal. That is really dark. And this is aquamarine on the black. Oh, I like that. That is really pretty. I like the shimmer of the black and the blue. That came out nice. And this is the haute couture. The haute metal. That's what it is. Excuse my ignorance. And we're going to spin. And we're going to do the red on the black. Okay. And we did that. Oh, the purple. Okay. And this is the purple on the black. Alright. Now, we're going to do on, let's see, let's do a dark color on the clementine. Let's try the charcoal, see what happens. Because it's really dark. I was curious about that. Let's put that up there and see what happens. Okay. Let's do a red on the orange. Let's see what happens. See how it does on that. Okay. Let's do the aquamarine on the orange. There we go. There we go. Spin, spin. Let's see. What should we do? Let's try the aquamarine on the yellow. Are you seeing this? Okay. Because I am really not. I'm looking, but I'm not looking. Oh, okay. Let's do the haute metallic on the blue. That's what we're going to do. We're going to go opposite light, right? Okay. Now, let's start checking out how these did. This did not crackle at all. Can you see it? That one didn't do anything, and I believe that's the LA color. So, interesting. That was a China glaze. I like the way that looks on the white. And that was a China glaze. That crackled nicely. Some of these came out really, really nice. The crackle on it. Okay, let's move around. It cracked. I don't know if it's going to show up, but it cracked a little bit. It may crack more as it dries because that was kind of thick. And this is a little crack, and that's okay. The red showed up really nice. There's that LA color, and it is still really, really, really wet. So maybe once it dries, it may do better. And there we go. Now this is on a color. This is on the orange. That's the charcoal. That turned out nice. And see the red on the orange? That did really well. See? There we go. We're just moving back through. You know. It's up to you what you think. I'm going to put a top coat on these, I guess, and then make a few more decisions. But, you know, it's what it is. It is what it is. And if you like, you like. But that clean one, this one, clean color crackle, I'm not liking very much personally. That's just me. Maybe I'm not doing it, you know, right. But hey, it's all good. And I did pick up a few more things at Sally's, you know. Just had to have things because they were on sale. Ori's, This is an Ori I picked up with a silver. It's called Twilight, and it's a silver sparkle. And then I got another one. They were having a clearance on Savvy. And as you see, that's glitter. And that's what it says. It's called a touch of glitter. And looking from the consistency of it, I'm thinking that this is really, really sheer. And I thought that that was a really nice color. And that's a Savvy. And the name of it is Blue Frost. And as always, thank you for checking me out. And I will talk to you guys later. Oh, if you were curious, don't look at that one. Look at this one. I did my redid my nails. Uh-oh, that's kind of dark. You can't see it, but I have, there we are. I have palm trees on. I just was feeling, so I did palm trees. Anyway, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. And as always, deuces.